So hello guys, today I will show you a card widget in our Flutter project. So how to make use. So create new dot file, name is a card, use stateless widget, name is a card example. Return I will use scaffold, in the scaffold app bar in the text title is a card widget, color is a white in the text style. Okay, center title is true, background color is a umber. Okay, so run this file in main.dart, write card ext. Okay, run it now. See, the output will be display. I will change the text ticket booking. Okay, in the leading I will set icon ticket icon from Cupertino icons. So import the library and use Cupertino icons, very easy. The icon will be displayed in the body part. I will use a column widget. In the column children's main access alignment is center. In the children I will use card widget. Color is orange, same as in the child. I will use list style. First is a title is a text. In the title I'll use text widget train. Text style color is white, and then run it. So output will be displayed. In the leading I will use the train icons and set color is a white. In the trolling I will use the ticket icon widget. So okay, same as color white. And in the subtitle I will use text widget, first class AC, train style color white, and then run it. The very beautiful output will be displayed. I will use a second card widget, same it is a first card widget. Set a color orange, child is list style, title text, in the text aeroplane, same it is a first card, color white. All properties in the leading I will use aeroplane icon, set color white, and then run. In the trolling I will use aeroplane ticket icon, color white, and in the subtitle I will use text airbrush 12 business class, same is a style text style, color property is set white, and then run it. Whole card widget is display. You can set a step in the card widget. I will use outline input border, border radius properties circular, and border radius you can set any color. So thank you for watching this video.